Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious chocolate smoothie. First, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of your preferred milk, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, and 1 ripe banana. For a touch of sweetness, add 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup. Don't forget about a half cup of ice to make it perfectly chilled and thick. This simple combination forms the base of your delightful drink. Now that you have all your ingredients ready, it's time to blend. Carefully add the milk, cocoa powder, banana, sweetener, and ice into your high-speed blender. Secure the lid tightly and blend on high for about 30 to 60 seconds. You're looking for a completely smooth and creamy consistency with no ice chunks remaining. If it's too thick, add a splash more milk. Once your base is blended, feel free to customize it. For an extra layer of flavor, try adding a dash of vanilla extract or a tiny pinch of sea salt to really bring out the chocolate. If you want to boost the nutrition, incorporate 1 tablespoon of almond butter for protein or a tablespoon of chia seeds for fiber. These additions make your smoothie even more satisfying. Your delicious chocolate smoothie is now ready to enjoy. Pour it into your favorite glass, and if you're feeling fancy, garnish it with some chocolate shavings or a light sprinkle of cocoa powder. This easy method ensures a perfect treat every time. It's a fantastic way to satisfy your chocolate cravings in a healthy and refreshing way. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.